Good evening and welcome to Top Flight Health's new products and service announcements. We appreciate you taking some time to hear what we hope is welcome news for those looking to improve their health in 2026.
The disclaimer. Peter Karuga, myself, and Janelle Aspinwall, owners of Top Flight Health, are health coaches and personal trainers. We're not licensed physicians, dietitians, therapists, or medical professionals. The content in this presentation, including information about products and services, are for educational and informational purposes only. It does not constitute medical advice, diagnose, treatment, or a substitute for professional health care. We do not supervise, interpret, or provide medical oversight for any testing. Consult your doctor before starting any exercise, nutrition, wellness program, or health testing, especially if you have health conditions. Participation in any of our services or use of any products are at your own risk.
Walk before you can run. Over the last 12-ish months, Peter and I have done just that. We limited taking on more than 1 to 2 clients at a time to understand the issues that people were facing with their health and how we could best help.
To say that went well would be an understatement. I honestly never expected to get emotional when a client came in explaining how we helped make such a huge difference in her day-to-day life. Not only that, but with more energy and better health, she celebrated her daughter's wedding more fully, soaking up every moment of the day.
For those of our clients to date that have really stuck to the plan, we've seen strength increases, weight loss up to 30 pounds, and biomarkers like glucose and cholesterol improved.
In working with these limited early clients, we were able to have in-depth conversations about what they needed in order to be successful. Pleasantly surprised, almost all of these factors overlapped between clients. These insights are the basis for the announcements today.
We have been able to develop better programs, and as we will get into in just a minute, we now understand where we can also provide some products and additional services. These products and services will help with our goal of improving health to our neighbors here in the Northwoods and beyond.
So what's new? The Top Flight Health app. Although early in development, feature number 1 that will be rolling out in early January is the tool that has helped our clients more than anything else: food journaling and macro tracking. By using this, you'll have a better understanding of what you're eating, and your coach will be able to see what you're eating and help guide you towards making better choices.
Biomarker blood panels. Not all trackable metrics are obvious as stepping on a scale to track your weight. That's not to say that others are not just as important, if not more.
Janelle and I, for the past couple of years, have painfully tried to find a way to get regular blood biomarker panels. Turns out, living where we do, this is much easier said than done.
Your primary doctor is likely reluctant to order what they consider unneeded tests. What that translates into is that insurance companies won't cover it. So unless you have symptoms of an issue or are looking for an ultra-simple annual panel, glucose and cholesterol, a good panel is really hard to find.
We feel that it's better to know the numbers and work to improve them or keep them optimal rather than having to try battling back from poor numbers that are already causing symptoms. That's why we're excited to announce today that Top Flight Health will offer biomarker blood test kits to our members.
These kits are minimally invasive and can be self-administered here at the facility or even done at your own home. It's just a little mechanical device that you stick on your arm and with a quick snap starts retrieving a sample.
Once full, the sample is packaged up and sent to the lab in a pre-labeled kit. If you're doing the draw here, we'll even take care of shipping it out for you. You will receive status updates and will be able to see your results online once finished.
Just a few of the markers that are measured are HDL, LDL, hemoglobin A1C, ApoB, cortisol, vitamin D, testosterone, albumin, SHBG, and estradiol.
Retail supplement sales. A useful tool to fill the gaps that members have in their macro and micronutrient needs are supplements. But similar to blood tests, finding high quality, third party tested supplements at a reasonable price locally is really difficult.
Not to mention, for example, if you are unfamiliar with nutrition information, the line between what box stores sell as protein bars and just a plain old candy bar are getting very blurred.
That said, we've partnered with one of the top rated supplement manufacturers in the US.
First Form. To start out, we plan to stock the most commonly used products, things like protein powders, green drink mix, creatine, collagen, multivitamins, protein bars, meat sticks, and Form energy drinks.
My personal favorite.
Top Flight Health members will have access to these products at a discounted price. Inventory may be limited initially, but we do plan to stock up substantially over the next few weeks. I like the creatine.
With the introduction of supplements, we'll also be transitioning to having open facility hours. The open hours are for retail purchases or for anyone that wants to drop in and get an introduction to how Top Flight Health coaching might be able to help. Training at the facility will still be members only during scheduled private training sessions.
We will be trying to keep hours as stable as possible so you never need to guess or look up when we are open. Starting January 2nd, 2026, Top Flight Health open hours for retail and health coaching information will be 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday, and then 9 a.m. till noon on Saturday. Also, anytime by appointment.
Private group training. We're happy to introduce private group training sessions here at the Top Flight Health facility. Humans are social creatures. Being around other people makes us feel better. And doing challenging things together really cranks up that feeling.
So we want to encourage you to gather up to 3 of your friends or family members and schedule a private group training session. These sessions will have a social feel, but at the same time will be challenging. We have developed some standard circuits that your group will be able to choose from when you schedule your time. For example, there is a push circuit that works your chest and triceps and shoulders, a pull circuit for back and biceps, and a leg circuit. Don't skip leg day. There will be additional circuits and custom options as well. One more thing. The early clients that had the most success had defined goals and deadlines to which they wanted to hit these goals. So we're introducing dedicated challenges or programs that will have defined tasks and start and end dates. This helps mentally commit you to working towards your goals. And the first Top Flight challenge is...
Win Your Money Back Challenge. Did I put that in there? Starting January, you can do just that with the first of our defined challenges, the Win Your Money Back Challenge. Basically, you run the program exactly as defined. Hit the challenge goals, and you can win back the entry cost of the program. Sign up to the challenge anytime between January 5th and the end of the day, January 9th, 2026. Included in the program is a Get After It level membership to Top Flight Health, which includes app access, a training routine, a nutrition guide, discounts on other products and services, and we are your accountability partners all the way to the end. There will also be an overall winner. One challenge participant will also win a bag full of goodies. To win, you must publicly document your journey in the challenge while tagging Top Flight Health. We want the idea of getting healthy to spread. The only way that happens is if we put that energy out into the world. Also, being public with your journey is massive for holding you accountable. The winner won't necessarily be the person that loses the most weight. Janelle and I will choose a winner based on a number of things, but effort, attitude, and the story will contribute heavily. So to recap, here's what we've covered today. The Top Flight Health app. Our new app will be rolling out that will simplify how we work with our members. New features will be added providing more value and personal attention.
Biomarker blood panels. We will be offering access to self-administered blood test panels. If you don't track it, you can't change it.
Top Flight Health is the area's newest supplement store selling a variety of 1st Phorm products.
Private group training. Beat those winter blues by grabbing a couple training partners to partake in our new private, at your own time group training sessions here at Top Flight Health Facility in Wakefield.
Dedicated challenges. Get ready to sign up for our first dedicated challenge where, if completed successfully, you could win back your entry cost for the challenge.
This is just the beginning. Top Flight Health's mission is to help improve the health of people around us. We work to do this by educating, providing health products and services, and helping people stay accountable to their goals. The products and services that we have announced here today are just the beginning of how Top Flight Health plans to fulfill this mission. So please follow along and engage with us in our social feeds and be on the lookout for more products, services, and events in the near future. Details about what we've talked about tonight will be up on our website in the next few days.
In closing, we're very thankful to our early clients for believing in us as new coaches and for allowing us to help them as they get started on their health journey. This allowed us to run a slow open and develop our programs and offerings. And to those of you that might be hearing about Top Flight Health for the first time, hello. We look forward to hearing from you and getting to know how we can be of service. If you have any questions, check out the website and please don't hesitate to contact us anytime via phone, email, social, smoke signals, or stop into our facility during our new facility hours.
Thanks for watching and have a great night.